Thank you guys. Thank you for always watching my video. I want to say welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. And today, guys, I want to teach us how to design this movie poster design. A very simple design, but it looks amazing. So I'm going to take us through the process how to design this poster. If you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, kindly hit the subscribe button while we go through the order of the day. So now let's go to Coredraw. As you can see, these are the pictures I'm working with. I have Ramsey Noah, I have Nino, I have Kunle with me, I have Uche, I have Chioma. These are the actors I'm working with, and over here these are the backgrounds I'm working with. These two backgrounds here I'm working with. As you can see, I've typed it down already. This is The Dying Man, the title of the movie, and these are the names here. And watching on Kehinde Peter's YouTube channel. So guys, the first thing I'm going to do on this design, first of all, I'm working with a page size of 13 inches by 12 inches, 13.7 by 12.2. That's a working area I'm working with. That's the size of the page I'm working with. 13.7 inches by 12.2 inches. So that's the page size I'm working with. So the first thing I'm going to do, guys, is to work on the background. So I want you to see how I'm able to combine these two backgrounds to achieve this design. So this is the first background, guys. So I'm going to import this inside the power clip. In fact, I'm going to import the two of them inside the power clip container. Now I've imported them inside the power clip container. The next thing I'm going to do, guys, is to go inside the power clip. So now I'm inside the power clip. I'm going to increase this one like this. Just watch how I'm going about this design, guys. So I'm going to take it up because I want the flowers to show at the edge. I mean, like on the background. I don't want to take it too down so the pictures will not cover the flowers. So I'm going to take it up like this, and this one here, I'm going to blow it like this, same way. Let me blow it properly. I'm going to blow it like this, and after blowing it, guys, let me come down a bit. I'm going to come to my transparent tools here and go to my fountain, this second one here at the top. And after that, as you can see, after clicking on the fountain, you see what I have. Then I'm going to click on Epitica Tools. Epitica Tools. This one here, the middle one here, Epitica Tools. So after clicking on that, you can see that I have the blue fill in the middle. It has dissolved the background for me. So now this is what I'm working on the background. So let me click out so you can see what we have. Now this is what we have, guys. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to take this down a bit, the main background. I'll take it down a bit, it's too up, and drag it down like this. Can you see what we have, guys? So the next thing I'm going to do now is to arrange the pictures, and the arrangement is very important. So the first person here is I've removed the background from the images. If you want to know how to remove background, go and check. I will add a link on the description button how to remove background in Coredraw. I've done a tutorial on that before. So if you want to remove background, you don't know how to remove background, you can go and watch that tutorial so you can understand. So the first person here is, next person that goes by here is Nino. So I'm going to put Nino by the side here. You have to make sure that you arrange them. So before that, let me just place my ruler here because their head have to be equal. You have to make sure that they are aligned properly. So let me zoom it out so I can see what I'm doing. Can you see, guys? So let me take Nino up a bit and increase it a bit like this. You have to make sure that their head tile is like their head is equal. The third person here is let me zoom properly. The third person here is Choma. So let me just arrange it. Just tell me, guys, if you have not subscribed, guys, kindly hit the subscribe button. And that's the only way you can understand my tutorial. Kindly hit the subscribe button. Let me take Nino a bit down like this, and Choma too a bit low. Okay, let me adjust Nino like this because I still have more people to add in that category. Let me take Nino back a bit like this, then Gmi should come back like this. So that's the first side. So over here I have Remy. So I'm arranging the pictures, guys. Just see how I'm going about it. So let me bring it out a bit. So this is Remy. This is Remy. And the last person on this design is Wuche. And Wuche is behind Remy. So just stay tuned, guys. Just watch how I'm doing. Let me take this one. The one is too much. I don't want him to cover the face. Okay, this is okay. You have to make sure that they align together. So let me make Wuche face a bit obvious, like this, like obvious. So let me use my ruler to align their head here. When I'm seeing kind of bigger, let me reduce the bits and reduce others too. So let me reduce others to fit in like this. You can see I'm trying to make sure that their head is aligning. One must not be bigger than one. So I'm using my ruler to do that. You can see I placed my ruler here already. So I'm reducing it like this. It's too much. Can you see? The last person here is this one. And here we go. I just aligned the pictures. I've removed the background already, so you can watch my tutorial on how to remove background. I'm going to add a description on the description button. You can see where I'm doing it, guys. So now I just align the pictures. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to pick a rectangle tools here, F6, this one, F6, and draw it below here like this, below. And after that, come to your color bar and give it a black color. And after giving a black color, you come to your transparent tools here and you fade it out from the top and you drag it down a bit carefully so it will dissolve. And after dissolving it like this, the next thing you do is to click here and drag it up a bit so the black fill can fill. As you can see, it has covered the images, like the down edges. The black fill have covered it up. And after that, the next thing, you know, I told you I have the name typed already, so I'm going to pick the name here and drop it here. Let me give it a white color so you guys can see it and page it up like this. So I have the name typed down already. Let me zoom in so you guys can see. Look at the name. Let me add an outline so the white can be visible. So these are the names of Wuche. This is Wuche, this is Remy. They are typed down already. So can you see, guys? We are getting there. So the next thing, let me work on the title. So I use this amazing font. I'm going to put the name on the description so you guys can see it. Heavenly Wings. That's the font. You know, the title is A Dying Man. So I try as much as possible to use a red color, because red symbolizes danger or something negative like that. So look at the title. Can you see the way it is? So there's the title. So I'm going to arrange it properly. We are rounding up, guys. And the last but not the least, I told you this is a very simple design. I mean, in less than how many minutes we'll be done. And the movie is showing on Kehinde Peter's YouTube channel. So I'm going to pick this one and put it here where it's going to be visible at the top here. Can you see at the top here? And as far as I'm concerned, guys, it's a very simple design, I said earlier, and we're not done. We are close to done. So this flower is not showing the way I expected, so let me take it up a bit. I told you I want it to be very obvious, so let me take the flower up a bit. It's not showing the way I want it to show. Can you see? Okay, good. This is it. So the flower is showing now, and we are done, guys. Something simple like this. We just have a simple movie poster design. Very simple, guys. You can try this out. I told you it's very simple. You can just see it's less than how many minutes? In less than 10 minutes we are done. So try this, guys. Let me see how far you can come up with this. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask me in the comment section. I'm going to reply you guys. Don't forget, guys, try and subscribe so you see more of my tutorials. I really